Hi, I'd like to welcome you to Repetitive Stress Disorders in the Workplace. My name is Chris, and I'm a massage therapy instructor with Carrington College. Now, the number of repetitive stress disorders workers suffer can be contributed to the increase in computer usage we're doing in the workplace today. We're simply tied to our computers for longer periods of time. The most common injuries typically occur in the upper extremities, which could include the elbow, wrist, and hand. And in fact, we're going to talk about the elbow, wrist, and hand with a basic massage treatment and some stretches that you can do right at your desk that'll help alleviate some tension, improve mobility in your joints, and improve flexibility in your muscles. So let's start with some stretches here first. And it's very simple. While you're sitting at your desk, simply stretch your arm out, palm down, bring your palm towards your body, and apply a very simple stretch to your forearm. Again, you want to hold these for about 15 to 20 seconds, and keep in mind, you can do this sitting right at your desk. Now we'll go palm up. Again, apply pressure, bringing your hand back towards your body, and we can apply stretches to this part of the forearm. So you can see two very simple stretches here, stretching both parts of the forearm, are really going to help with that mobility and flexibility and prepare you for the repetitive motions that you do typically in a day when you're sitting at your desk for long periods of time. So now let's go ahead and show you a basic massage treatment that's related to the muscles of the wrist and hand that you might find in a professional setting. So we're going to start off by applying some oil or lotion to not only warm up the tissues, but allow us to get into some of the deeper work that we're going to do as we warm these tissues up. So we're going to apply our oil or lotion here to both sides of the forearm. And so we're just doing a nice gliding stroke using our palms and both sides of the wrist. So let's begin applying some deeper pressure here. Now, after we've done some gliding with the palms, we get a little deeper and we can use the knuckles. And just gliding from the wrist to the elbow, just like that. We could even come in a little deeper with our techniques and use our thumbs to work along the muscles here of this part of the forearm. Now let's go ahead and do the other side of the forearm. Now with this, we're probably just going to come in here and apply some techniques using our thumb to strip along the forearm. So you can see we're just doing a lot of deep gliding strokes, whether it's with our palm, with our knuckles, with our thumbs. We can come in with two thumbs at the same time. And we're just trying to really loosen up this muscle tissue with these real simple, basic gliding strokes. Now we also want to work the hand a little bit here as well. So we can kind of come down here to the hand, and I like to work the top of the hand and wrist. Again, this is where we have a lot of restrictions that occur when we're putting our hands in those static positions or those repetitive motions. And so we're just going to go ahead and work around the wrist there a little bit, around the joints, right on top of the hand. And we can even work each individual finger as well, kind of squeeze and rotate our fingers around the fingers and thumb, just like this. And all of this is going to help improve coordination and dexterity that can certainly be lost when we're putting our hands into those static positions and those repetitive motions, whether we're at a keyboard all day or we're clicking the mouse. We do a lot of things that can certainly overuse these tissue, cause fatigue, and can certainly lead to some pain and tension, and even, again, loss of dexterity and coordination. So we want to make sure we really bring some healthy blood flow to these tissues. We can also work the palm of the hand as well, just applying a nice fanning technique using my thumbs. Come back and finish that off with some nice long flowing strokes again to close out the massage. Bring everything back to our first technique. And then from there, you can do the exact same sequence to the other side. So I hope you recognize today that with regular massage and stretching, we can prevent tension and reduce pain and really improve the function and quality of the work that we're doing on a daily basis. I hope you try these stretches at home or in your office, and just be sure you do them on a daily basis. Thank you for watching.